welcome to this first video. So this video is about the TS Telecom website. So I'm going to take you through a little bit of tutorial for you to understand why and how this website and how to navigate through this website. Like I said, this is the first video. Now if you log in like this, if you go to TSBF over here, you can see tstelecom.superjsipes.com. This is already on the page, so you can have it. It is already on the internet. You can just search for it, TS Telecom. Now once you open it, let me just go back here and then log out. So after I have logged out, you realize that now the front page is showing login/register. So once you go to the site, you can use this login/register to go to the registration page or whatever. Or better still, you can just click on the login here. So whichever one that you choose, you are going to have a page like this. So this is the login page, and then if you don't have an account, you just tap on don't have an account, and then it brings you to the registration page. So in the registration, you put in your details, your first name, your last name, your password, and confirm password to register. Now once you are done with this registration, you are able to now, you will automatically be logged in. So if I come in here and then I switch to the login page because I already have an account. I'm going to log in with my details, and then once the details are confirmed, it says login successful. So now you are able to register and then log in. Once you log in, you are taken to the store. So this is the store where you have the various packages that you may want to buy for somebody, because the idea behind this website is for you to be able to help those around you get some affordable data. That is why I have made it this way. So because I am an agent, I'm actually an admin, so this is it. However, I'm going to create a new account and then log in with which is the basic of account when somebody logs in afresh. So I'm going to log out, and then I'm going to create a new account this time around. Over here, don't have an account, so I'm going to say my first name is Test, the email is test at test.com, and then my password is 1231234. So once I have filled up this, I will just tap on the register, and then if everything goes well, it says registration successful. So this is it. I'm not going to save it. Now this is it. If you check up here, realize that the user type is customer, and if somebody is a customer, the person has this feature over here. Let me see how we can get this up. So if you check this side, are you getting this side? It says that prices are much cheaper for agents. I advise you click here to apply for 50 cedis. So with 50 cedis, you become an agent, and then you buy it at a lower price, a lesser price. Okay, so this is the idea. And then after somebody has logged in, this place is no longer login or sign in, it is explore. So that is the idea. Once you tap on it, you have what you are looking for, and then you are able to get to the store where you are able to choose what package you want to buy. Now, I think the video is getting lengthier, so I'll go into another